Hello and welcome back to K Tutoring. I hope everybody's well. Let's begin the third video in the Scratch programming series which I'm making. Let's start. Basically, last video we showed how my character, the cat, walked across the screen. So let's quickly just first change the background to space. It's my choice. You can choose wherever you like. I will choose Nebula. Looks very good. I'm going to decrease his size, as you can see there, to say 75. That's good. And I'm going to go to events. When the flag is clicked, we want to control forever. So all the time we want him to go to motion and move 30 steps. I want to pause slightly so we can see him moving. So control, wait. So a fraction of a second, so 0.2 of a second. So he'll move across but stay at the end. This time what we need to do is add, if we go to, motions, we go to the end of motions, it says if on edge bounce. So all these instructions were there from last week, but this time we're going to add if on edge bounce, because when he goes to the end, he should come back. So let's press the green flag, it goes to the end and he comes back, but he comes back upside down. So stop the program, bring him back here somewhere, and we need to add on the same motions icon, set rotation style. It's exactly below the F on edge bounce, so it's handy. And this will make him walk back normal. Let's press the green flag. He moves across, he comes back normal. Superb. Let's stop the program and move him back here somewhere. Now, we need to add, so this is a new thing today, and we need to add what we did on the last video was when spacebar was clicked, we want him to come here somewhere, which is the corners of -1, 5, 6, and -7, which if you go to motions, it's there. Go to XY. It's exactly where he is. So this time when you move him, he'll walk across, we stop the program. This time we press spacebar, he goes back to this position here. Excellent. Now, the next part is what I want to do when I click on the actual character, I want him to make a sound. So if I go to events, exactly what I just said, when I click, it's the third one down, when the sprite is clicked, events, when the sprite is clicked, I want in the sprite to make a sound. There's the first one, sound, play sound, meow. Why meow? Because that's the character sound. So click on the character, he makes a sound. Brilliant. So he walks to the edge, he comes back, press spacebar, he comes back to a normal position, and when you press the character, when you click on the character, it makes a sound. Now, what we want to do is every time you click on the character, you want him to get a point. It's like a game. So let's go to variables, and we need to make a variable, so we can call it score for all sprites. Okay. And then what we do is move this across. So when the flag is clicked, as you can see, the score there, that's what we typed in, it's got a tick there, set my variable. So what we do, set my variable, which is the score, set my score to 0. So when the flag is clicked, put this back, set the score to 0. So when the game starts, then he does the walking back and forth, comes back, and then when you click on him, the sprite, he'll make a sound, the meow sound, but we want him to get a score. So every time you click on the sprite, you get a score. So it says here, if you go down the same variable, change, not set, change my variable by 1. Okay, that means you change my variable, which is a score, by 1. So every time you click on the sprite, the score changes. As you can see, excellent. Now we want to press spacebar, start from the beginning. Let's press the green flag, and as you can see, the game's reset. He walks across on the edge, bounces back and forth, back and forth. But what we need to do is we click on the cat sprite, the score changes. Supposing this was a game and we had to hit the cat. So there you go, the score changes. Let's stop the game. Let's press spacebar, it comes back, but score hasn't changed. But when you start the game, it will change. So obviously you can change. There you go. It's again, the score's changed. Let's bring it back. So obviously this game you can change to any background you like. This can change to I don't know, a balloon, a ball, anything that, or a mouse that you're chasing, and you click on the mouse and score changes. So these were the basic steps of a basic program where the character moves up and down. Sorry, it moves across left to right, right to left, and when you click on the actual character, the score changes. And that's it really. So a couple of new things today from the last video where he walks back and forth, and there's a sound from the character and there's a score as well. So this is the third video. I hope you like this video. Please share, comment, like, and subscribe, and we'll do a few more things in the next video. Thank you very much, and enjoy your day. Bye bye.